Primetime news this evening, not taxpayers' burden to bear. Government explains the source of funding for SSL probe. We want our land back. Church-operated school claims students being deprived of a playground as the land was sold. And teachers and students feeling the heat as sweltering temperatures grip the country.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Janella, you may have heard about the Jamaica Product Exchange, JPEX. Well, their hospitality and tourism industry trade show is back on the agenda for this year. That and more in the Business Day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Spencer Darlington has a preview of Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, the Reggae Boys have an important game at the National Stadium tomorrow, but there are some concerns about the readiness of the playing surface. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
And of course, Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Over the next few days across the island, we still have those isolated showers and thunderstorms that are expected, but in the mornings, we're expecting to see cloudier conditions, especially across eastern parishes.
Thanks, Romain. There's also E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what are some of the challenges you have observed being faced by disabled Jamaicans who have to access public transportation?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.